channel. So today I have my absolute favorite wig from MyFirstWig. So you guys know that I always talk about MyFirstWig's lace like it's literally freaking perfect. It's not even Swiss lace. I mean, not Swiss lace. It's not even HD lace, y'all. It's Swiss lace, and it just, like, you can barely see it on the mannequin head. Like, it's so freaking perfect. But sorry, y'all, let me put this on silent, matter of fact. Yeah, so this is my favorite wig. This is actually, I believe, the first wig that I ever got from MyFirstWig was ALEXIS, but I ended up giving it to one of you guys. So I got her in 20 inches out, and she is a silky texture, but she's really good at holding curls as well, which is why I think it's like the perfect, not even just everyday wig, I would say like perfect beginner friendly wig, because you know that not RPG Show, that's their sister company, but MyFirstWig prides themselves on being a beginner friendly wig, hence the name MyFirstWig. But yeah, look at the hairline, you guys. So I did have to bleach the knots. I could have sworn they bleached their knots. I could have sworn they had like a clean bleach knot system or something like that they had, but I don't know if because there was a lace shortage, which is why technically headband wigs was popping like that, y'all, because there was a lace shortage and companies could not get lace. But it's back now, so I don't know if they were like just in a rush to send the wigs out, and that's why they didn't bleach the knots. So I did have to bleach the knots myself, which I did. I used the blonde, I think it's still in my living room, but the blonde, you know, that's my favorite bleach, and Volume, that's the one that I used. But look at the hairline. I didn't do any plucking or anything like that. All I did was bleach the knots, and the hairline looks freaking amazing. You know, I'll probably do a little bit more once I put it on, but it looks like I don't have to do anything. So I want to try it on right now and see, because I don't want to do the stocking cap method, y'all. I'm tired of pulling my baby hairs out. So I just want to put it on like this. I used to always do them like this and they were fine, and then I got on the stocking cap trend and I was just like stocking cap, stocking cap, stocking cap, and then my edges was like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So yeah, taking a break from that right now. I've been wearing my real hair for about 2 weeks. I haven't put on a wig at all. Definitely proud of myself, and I gave myself time for my little bald spot over here to grow back. But yeah, it's time to put a wig back on. So this is just the regular lace. It's not a 13 by 6. This one goes back, I believe, either 4.5 or 5 inches. And they have this wig also in a closure unit, a full lace unit, and a 13 by 6 unit. This is just, I believe the normal was like 13 by 4 or something like that. It might be a little bit longer than 13, because I feel like sometimes the 13s be too short for my ear tabs. Am I talking a lot today? But yeah, let me go ahead and put this on. It has the adjustable straps in here. I'm going to go ahead and hook these together. And I might as well just remove this lace from the back while I'm here. I found my shears, y'all, too. I was looking for like actual scissors. I forgot that they came in a bag. And I thought I had lost them, but no, they was on my desk this whole time. So I want to go with a side part today. Oh, look at this lash. Petrie Essentials. With this wig cap, because I know it's peeking through already. I can see it. So I want this to be like super slick and flat, and I just want like a little right there. Y'all, this is blow dried too. This isn't straight. I used my Rev Air. I don't know if I told y'all that already, but I used my Rev Air for this. And that thing be getting hair so straight. Dom be doing hers like this, and it be looking so perfect. And I feel like mine always show when I put it right there. Like, it be looking crazy.
Walking on fire, trying not to bend my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we...
Okay, I think I'm gonna make this glueless today. Where's my wig grip? Okay, I got my lace wig grip.
Don't mean you know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar, calling me a liar. Trying not to let my feelings get to me.
I just love how secure the wig grip makes it feel. Like, it really feels like it's on. I know it's flying on the edges, but like this feels like it is on there. Look at this. So good, right? cut the sideburns. And then I want just a little baby hairs up here.
Sometimes I can let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. Now I'm terrified of losing you. Touching you.
I'm gonna take my tweezers, and even though it's really thin already, I just want to make it a little bit thinner because baby hairs do not need to be thick. I mean, sometimes they can be depending on the look that you're going for.
Body, but feeling like I'm all alone. You don't seem to want me, even though you told me so. And baby, I wonder if we should just go separate ways. We could start over. We could start over. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. Now I'm terrified of losing you. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. Now I'm terrified of.
Okay, and then to get the baby hairs to like kind of hold, I am going to use a little bit of the Got To Be glue, and then it's going to help this ear tab hold down too. I'm not putting it under the wig, I'm literally just putting it on the hairs. Give me no cold head. Okay, so now I want to take a little bit of foundation. So I'm going to go in with this NARS in the shade Tahoe.
Walking on fire, trying not to bend my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't mean. You know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar, calling me a liar.
Okay, so this is how long the unit is. You guys, I'm 5'5" for anyone that is new, and this is supposed to be 20 inches. But that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit that little notification bell for me, and set it to all, just because YouTube be tripping. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys, and I'll see you on my next one.
Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. Now I'm terrified of losing you. Touching your body, but feeling like I'm all alone. You